Can you get off, please? Is there anything better than new wheel day? Ivy, you get the fuck off. I'm gonna tell you, there really isn't. So I'm hoping to record this in a proper way that like it makes it a nice cinematic experience and I don't give it away during the editing process. Let me open up some light here. But today is an unreal day, the best day. And today is new wheel day, the best day. I'm not gonna show you what they are yet, just because, like I said, the way I'm trying to record this is so it's like a nice cinematic thing. It's gonna be me putting them on the car first, and then, like, you obviously know what they were at that point, and then you'll see, I'm gonna be ceramic coating these right now, and then having them ready to put tires on it, and then, yeah, it's gonna be a whole thing. I hope I can pull it off. But if you know me, it should be super easy to figure out. Like, it's not a huge mystery what wheel I probably went with, but to the people that don't actually know me, this is your opportunity to try to learn something. Even Ivy's excited about new wheel day. All right, wheels loaded up. Just gotta load up a set of tires that I'm selling that are on my way to pick up my girlfriend. If you didn't notice, it's game one, Stanley Cup Finals. Let's fucking go. Well, good morning. It is now... What are you doing? It is now Friday morning. It's like not even 7:30 yet. I wish I could say something like, oh, I was so excited I couldn't sleep. But no, I was dead ass tired last night because this is my first full day of not being on night shift or working for the first time in months. So I've just been bag tired basically. I took 2 ZQuil and I slept for a good 10 hours. So hopefully my sleeping schedule is back to normal. Today is new wheel day. And funny story, when I think I talked on earlier clips about like, when you drop off your wheels, don't forget your valve stems, but then guess what I fucking did? I left my valve stems at home when I dropped the wheels off, so I had to rip back home, drop them off at sub 60, and then do all that. And then, but today's a big day, big reveal day. So first thing I'm gonna do is just get the car clean, ready to go, because we're gonna do like a tiny little shoot that sub 60 always does whenever they put wheels on a car, basically. So we're gonna do that. All right, so car's clean, looking real good. Wheels look nice, but it's time to get off these winters. This will be the last look for this until probably until like October, November. Hopefully November. But yeah, let's go throw some wheels on. All right, so change of plans. The guys at sub 60 were way too busy to do like a setup and everything, so I just took the wheels, bring them here. We are gonna sweep up the garage real quick because I haven't swept it out like since winter yet. So we're gonna get that on that, do a nice little time lapse, and then we're gonna unveil the wheels, install the wheels, and then all about how great they look. So my mic just decided to die right here, I guess, so I'll just narrate this. This is me unveiling my wheels. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 45 T37 Sagas in mag blue with Hankook RS4 rubber and 265/35/18. This is me just kind of getting a shot of them in the sun, and they look way better. That's like the best they look until they're on the car. This video is going to be a lot quicker now, I guess, because I don't have a lot of audio for anything in the garage, basically. So I'll just try to, make a little time lapse of it, I guess. Now, what I'm not doing right this minute, but I will be doing in this video, we're going to give these bad boys a ceramic coat just so they're good and fresh to go as soon as my boys mount tires on them, and then put them on. Oh, Wednesday. I just woke up. I just finished my last night shift finally, so we can finally start getting some stuff going on here. And today we are going to be ceramic coating the wheels. So I got my little station set up. I'm doing it in my house, yeah, because my garage is kind of a mess right now, and I don't want to deal with that right now. Products we're going to be using today are the CarPro Eraser. This will basically just, it's like a pre-treatment for wheels just to wipe everything down, make sure they're all good. And then I also went with the CarPro Deluxe wheel ceramic coat. I haven't ceramic coated a set of wheels in a long time. I think since like my first set of wheels on my old Civic back in the day. But I didn't get to do it on my Advans before because I was kind of in a rush putting them on, but I really want to do it this time and keep them protected for the most part. We're going to be doing the faces and maybe a little part of the barrel. I don't want to do too much because I know they are going to have to put some weights on it and they won't stick then, but we'll do a big chunk of the inside barrel and then the faces, and then we're going to let them sit And then we're gonna bring them back to the shop and then gonna mount tires on them and we're gonna install those bad boys. And here's everyone's favorite cat, Ivy, after she just made a huge mess in the garage. But we're gonna start with, we're gonna wipe this down with the CarPro eraser, get the wheels prepped for ceramic. Shake well, okay. These pretty straightforward instructions. I'll make sure these bad boys are properly coated for the season, because trying to make these look nice without having to wash them every fucking 5 minutes. And all you gotta do is make sure you have a good microfiber. The Costco ones probably work. I was gonna use my Costco ones, but I had my big container of rags right behind here, so I just decided to use these. Shit, hold on, I'm gonna get gloves. So yeah, like I said, wipe them down, wipe the wheels down, get them real good and prepped. I imagine it's for so the ceramic coat will actually stick to it. I am going to be doing the inside of the barrels as well, or a good chunk of it. Probably, to be honest, just kind of where the stickers are, like just the slight little inside part of the barrel here, just because it gets real dirty in here, and these will be on my daily, and I do drive some pretty gross roads, so. All right, so that one, we're gonna say that one's good. Take this stuff out. I don't know what these chrome strips are for. Now I'm kind of scared. Understand why you need good light in here now. Stuff is pretty nuts, I'm not gonna lie. I like to kind of get in there, just in the cracks here, and the creases. If I'm doing something wrong, tell me in the comments, because I haven't done this in a long time. And when I did these with my other wheels, I had my detailer friend kind of give me a hand too, so. Only cause of concern right now is just to make sure I don't do the spot where they are going to be mounting the weights, just because it won't stick basically. Okay, now we're going to do a quick little batch in the barrel, and then that'll be it. That one will be done. I was thinking about doing like the, whatchamacallit, like the back of the spokes and everything. I don't think I'll be doing that today.
Ivy, stay down,
Okay, then you just wait for these to cure and first wheel's done. Now times that by 4, and I had to open a window because I could feel like in my throat. That's nasty stuff. Make sure you do this in a well ventilated area. Well, just got back from doing some errands, and already Ivy's climbing all over the car as if she owns the damn thing. Buddy, oh my God. I just washed the car and you're putting footprints all over it. Well, I am absolutely in love with these wheels. I won't be able to, only thing that sucks is that they're hard to capture. Like the color, I got a light on the back here to like kind of help, but like, yes, Ivy. But I absolutely love these. I am in love with the RS4s. I did a little bit of spirited driving. I wasn't able to do it too much, obviously, just going to the gym and Costco and stuff like that, but they're smooth, they're quiet. I'm so glad I don't have to ride on these studded winters anymore in June, because they were noisy as hell, and it just gave me like anxiety just driving on them this late in the season, basically. So I'm glad those are off. We're gonna clean those off, and then I'm gonna have to do some sort of, I'm gonna buy one of those shelves and like put it on this side, and I can do like 3 deep, and then I could put like tires, wheels, all the other stuff I got kind of kicking around. I got a bunch of stuff in the basement still too that I gotta move, but that'll probably be next episode. But yeah, as usual, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. Like 80% of the people that watch these videos aren't even subscribed. So like, if just subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free, and it does a whole lot for me. But yeah, give me what do you guys think about the wheels? Light me up for my terrible lug nuts. But by the time this video goes up, which is hopefully tomorrow, Saturday, I should have my new ones on already. I was just told they're in now. And yeah, see you in the next one.